Morning guys, Dave Grover here, Service Manager, Lighthouse Harbor Marina. I have Sue, our Service Advisor, with us. We're having our open house event. It's going to be Saturday, April 1st from 9 to 4:30. Guys, this is the day to come down here. We're going to have our one-day sales event on our 2022 and 23 Benningtons. We have Hurricanes, our Monterey models also.
105.3 Classic Hits Radio is going to be here from 12 to 2, playing music in the parking lot. We're going to have a barbecue, hot dogs, hamburgers. It's going to be awesome. And then we're going to have booths. So like you said, Pocono Action Sports will be here, Freedom Boat Club will be here. They'll all have one-day pricing. So this way you can join Freedom Boat Club over Poconos. You can rent a boat for the summer ahead of time.
Yeah, like pre-book for boat rentals. We're going to have, I think, a raffle. We're going to give away a half-day rental for
the slide pontoon, which is awesome. That's great. Some Lake Life apparel.
We're going to have major discounts down in the ship store. Guys, I hope you're as excited about this event as we are.
So excited.
We want you to RSVP at boatingyourway.com. Come on down and see us. We're going to have a great time.
Yep.
Right?
Saturday, April 1st from 9 to 4:30. Free event. Have some food, have some music, free giveaways. See you there.
Hope to see you then.
Bye.